Alright guys, and welcome to this short announcement and somewhat review of some code that I've written. My idea was first to basically create a trading terminal. Um, yeah, but that was kind of a really large project where I think mostly half of the features or even more probably wouldn't be used that much. And it's also fairly hard to get some live quotes data for free. Yeah, and so I've decided to basically build rather a Discord bot where you can get really easy some historical intraday data from 1 minute up to 1 month, time frames into Excel fairly easy, and yeah. So how this works basically is there's just this well, I'm not sure how it's called, but basically on GitHub there's like this code where you can import some TradingView data into Excel fairly easy, or extract, scrape it, and and these are like the supported timeframes. And now what you can do with this code that I've written is basically type in download Excel, and then I already tried it a few times, as you can see, and then you can just basically go over to TradingView and search for well, any kind of symbol that you want. For example, let's say Euro stocks. Why not? Well, basically, you just have to copy the product ticker name, or however you want to call it, and then paste it in there. And then you also need the exchange as well. You can look up the exchange fairly easy by just adding an operator after typing in the product and trading view. So in this case it would be Eurex, which was obvious. But for example, if you want to get some S&P data, it's a bit tricky because it says CME, but it's actually CME Mini. And so basically it wouldn't find the product that you're searching for, and this is basically how you can check if you're searching for the right symbol or ticker. And then you just have to choose the time frame for this example. Let's say a 1 minute chart and the number of bars that you want to export. And in this case we're doing 1440, which is basically 1 day of data approximately. And well, press enter and it will give instantly an Excel file back, which is downloadable. And yeah, and then you will just get open, high, low, close data and volume as well. And I think there's even a way to add some indicators directly from TradingView, but I would have to code that into the whole program, and I don't think that it's really needed that much, to be honest. But yeah, basically now you just have for 1440 bars um, charting data. By the way, it's delayed by, well, I don't know, 15 minutes or something like that, because it's not live charting data. So yeah, and let's insert water. No candlestick chart. Right. Nice. And now we can see how all of this looks. And well, yeah, it's pretty accurate, of course. And yeah, now you have basically 1000, these 1000 bars in your Excel with volume data as well. And this makes it very easy to export charting data into Excel. And yeah,